How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your side mirror glass on the 99 to 2006 Chevy Silverado. So the only thing you're going to need to do this job is a pick. And you can see on the back of this new mirror that I'm installing, it has these clips. We're just going to get behind and lift these clips up. You should be able to just lift these first three and then it should pop off. Well, typically you'd push your mirror down and then get your pick behind here and just look down through this crack. And you'll see those tabs, and you just lift them up. This one, all the tabs are broken pretty much, so it just fell right out. Your new mirror should come with the seal. If not, take it off your old one and just install it right here. And now we're going to line these clips up, and they snap in right around here. And put it in place, and push from the center, and lock it in. And it's that easy to replace the glass. If you need to replace your whole mirror assembly, I will have a video for that as well. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.